Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can recover OneDrive deleted files. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find it here in your taskbar or here in the homepage, go ahead and click on Start and then search for File Explorer. Once you find it, click on Open and then you're gonna be right here. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here, you're going to find Home, Gallery, OneDrive, Desktop, Downloads, and so on. Click on OneDrive, right click on it, and then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of these options. Here, you're going to find the option to copy it, open a new tab, open a new window, pin to quick access, and so on. And here, you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly, right here, you're going to find OneDrive. Click on OneDrive and then here you're going to find View Online, Settings, and here you're going to find Folder Color. Go ahead and click on View Online and then you're going to be taken to this page. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find these sections. Here you're going to find My Files, Recent, Photos, Shared, and here you're going to find Recycle Bin. So basically guys, once you delete a file from your files right here, you're going to find it in your recycle bin. If you want to restore it, you're going to be able to recover it from here. So right now, for example, I'm going to delete a file. For example, this one. I'm going to click on these three dots and then click on delete. Then as you can see, guys, they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? Click on the list and then go to your recycle bin. Select the item you want to restore and then click on restore. And then as you can see, guys, right now, the item is restored. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.